Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro has finally been unveiled with a pressure-sensitive in-display fingerprint reader in China. From what it looks like, the handset bears a striking resemblance to Apple iPhone X, courtesy of a wider notch above the display accompanied by minimum bezels. Xiaomi also announced the Mi 8 Lite. Design-wise, Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro measures 154.94.8.6mm in dimensions and weighs 177 g including the battery. The handset sports a 6.21-inch 2248 1080 pixels Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 18.7 to 9 aspect ratio. Inside is Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 845 mobile processor clocked at 2.8 GHz and paired with Adreno 630 GPU for graphics. The Mi 8 Pro has two variants, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. Both the variants offer 128GB of non-expandable storage. On the camera front, Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro houses 12MP/1.8 plus 12MP/2.4 dual rear sensors. The camera is further backed by certain artificial intelligence AI features like AI scene recognition, AI studio light effect and more. Up front is a 20MP one with 3D beauty, AI portrait mode for selfies and video calls. As mentioned, one of the main highlights of the Mi 8 Pro has to be its pressure-sensitive in-display fingerprint reader. But apart from that, it also provides users with IR Face Unlock feature. The device runs Android 8.1 Oreo with the company MIUI skin on top. Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro packs a 3000 mAh battery under the hood. On the connectivity front, it supports 4G VoLTE, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC and USB Type-C. Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro price starts at 3,199 yuan Rs 33,800 approximately for 6GB RAM variant and climbs all the way up to 3,599 yuan Rs 38,000 approximately for 8GB RAM variant. The sale starts tomorrow, September 21st, in China.